The F? Another one?
County in southwestern Maine, Cumberland County in southwestern Maine, west central Saginaw County in south central Maine, northwestern Stratford County in central New Hampshire, eastern Belknap County in central New Hampshire, southeastern Carroll County in northern New Hampshire, until 8 p.m. At 7:06 p.m., a line of severe storms was located near Effingham, Oregon, 7 miles east of Ossipee, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source.
You can hear how bad the wind is outside.
Expects damage to roof.
Through the WR100.
Locations impacted include Portland, Livingston, South Portland, Brunswick, Westbrook, Conway, Alfred, Ossipee, Naples, Thompson, Turner, Cumberland, Gorham, Falmouth, Buxton, Freeport, and Gray. This includes the following highways: Interstate 295 between mile markers 4 and 29. Interstate 95 between mile markers 45 and 88. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with this storm will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Maine: Androscoggin, Cumberland, Oxford, Saginaw, and York, and the following counties in New Hampshire: Belknap, Carroll, and Stratford.